Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code and Node. JS installed so code can run locally. Open the project folder in VS Code and create index. JS right away. Once done, pick how you will run code. Either install the code runner extension for one-click execution or plan to use the integrated terminal with Node index. JS. This early choice affects later workflow, so make sure your extension and terminal are ready before moving on. Next, run and configure. Open the integrated terminal, change directory to your project, then run Node index. JS to execute. If you chose Code Runner, press the play button and watch the output pane for results and errors. For debugging, create a launch. JSON with Node configuration so you can set breakpoints and pass arguments. This gives step-through inspection of variables. Once configured, you'll iterate faster because you can run or debug from within VS Code without switching tools. To finish, run your script and validate outputs. If behavior differs from expectation, use console. Log or the debugger to inspect values and flow. Make sure your require or import paths are correct and that Node modules are installed. Run npm install when needed. If VS Code fails to run code, restart the editor, reinstall the Code Runner extension, or reinstall Node. These steps resolve most environment issues. One key tip: check the terminal's current working directory first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.